In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Figma. This workflow is perfect when you want an image in your file to open a website or resource with a single click during a presentation or prototype preview. We'll keep everything inside Figma and make the image itself behave like a link without changing how it looks. Start by opening your project file so you're on the canvas where you want the linked image to live. If the image isn't already in your design, go to the main menu at the top, open file, and choose place image. Select your image from your computer, then click on the canvas to drop it in, or click and drag to set its size precisely. Position it where you want it in your layout. Now, create a text box. You can press the T key or choose the text tool from the toolbar, then click once on the canvas. With the text layer selected, look over to the right-hand properties panel for the link field. This is where you attach a URL to that text layer. Click in the field and type or paste the full web address, including the HTTP prefix, so Figma recognizes it as a valid link. Next, turn that text layer into an invisible hotspot that matches your image. Resize the text box by dragging its handles until it covers the image edge to edge. If your text auto-resizes, switch it to a fixed size box so you can stretch it cleanly. You can also rename this layer something like Image Link Area to keep your layers organized. With the text box still selected, set its opacity to 0% in the right-hand panel. This makes it fully transparent so it won't affect your design visually. Now arrange it so it doesn't get in the way of editing your image. Use the arrange options and choose send to back. This keeps the image on top while the linked layer sits behind it, maintaining the clean look of your canvas. A few tips to make this smoother. Double check the URL for typos because Figma will open exactly what you enter. If you don't see the link field, make sure the text layer, not the image, is selected. For precise alignment, use Smart Guides or the alignment tool so the invisible area perfectly matches the image bounds. When you present or share your file, clicking that image will trigger the link you added, giving you a clean interactive experience without extra visual elements on top. And that's all there